Current affairs, today's headlines, September 29, 2022. Here are today's news headlines by GK Today for September 29, 2022. India. Government bans Popular Front of India, affiliates for 5 years on terror links. Chandigarh Airport renamed Shahid Bhagat Singh International Airport on his 115th birth anniversary. Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, unravels archaeological remains in MP's Bandhavgarh Forest Reserve. Cabinet approves MoU between India and Bangladesh on withdrawal of up to 153 CUSECS of water each by India and Bangladesh from common border river Kushiara. Dwar Ration Scheme, ration at the doorstep, of West Bengal government ultra vires to NFSA, legally void, Calcutta HC. PM Modi inaugurates Lata Mangeshkar Chowk in Ayodhya on her 93rd birth anniversary. Kumar Sanu, 2021, Shailendra Singh, 2019, Anand Miland, 2020, get Lata Mangeshkar Award of MP Government. Economy and Corporate. Centre extends Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana, PMGKAY, for another 3 months, October 2022 – December 2022. Indian fertilizer companies sign MoU with Canpotex, Canada, one of the largest potash suppliers globally. Cabinet approves redevelopment of New Delhi, Ahmedabad and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, CSMT, Mumbai railway stations. Tata Motors launches Chiagu EV, its first electric vehicle in the hatchback segment. Jio Telecom head Akash Ambani is the only Indian on Times 100 emerging leaders list. World. Ukraine's Donetsk and Lugansk regions in east and Kherson and Zaporizhia in south vote to join Russia in referendums. World Green Economy Summit being held in Dubai, UAE. UNESCO MONDIACULT 2022 World Conference being held in Mexico City. Cuba without electricity as power grid collapses after Hurricane Ian. Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman appointed as Prime Minister. World Rabies Day